Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll take a look at how to create this cutting water with scissors magic trick, and we're gonna recreate it in After Effects. But before we start, I wanna thank to Filmora 9 for sponsoring this video. Filmora 9 is an easy to use video editing software designed for all creators. You can find there a bunch of cool features that will help you make your videos stand out. Let's take a look at some of them. It offers a variety of creative tools. You can add titles, transitions, split screens, overlays, and other effects, including green screen keying. So you can easily remove green screen using Filmora in just a couple of seconds. You can use as many clips as you want on multiple tracks. Moreover, Filmora is packed with great color correction tools, which can elevate your work to the next level. Also, you can find many more effects and presets on Filmstock. Filmstock is a great library with wide selection of video assets, including stock footage, music, sound effects, templates, and much more. Learn more about Filmora 9 by checking the links in the description below. Now let's go back to the tutorial. To recreate this illusion you need to have one shot. First, turn on the water and pretend that you cut it with scissors. Then let the water run for a few seconds and turn it off. Now let's open up After Effects. First, place your shot on the timeline. Go to the point where you turn off the water and make a cut there. Now we'll synchronize this with the scissors. So move the clip to the point where we are cutting the water. Next we'll create a mask on the top layer. Turn off the visibility for a second and grab the pen tool. Create a mask first around the scissors and then around the whole sink. Well, it's looking pretty good already. To make the transition more seamless, enable animation for opacity and animate it from 0 to 100%. Furthermore, we need to expand this mask so that the hand from the first shot can get under the running water. Enable animation for this mask, animate it around the scissors, and then gradually expand this mask. And also don't forget to feather out the mask. Now we can choose what parts should the feather affect. At this point we can pre-compose these two layers. And I'm gonna add some fake camera movement. Also animate the position and scale. Finally, top it all off with some color grading. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.